Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. Open CapCut. Go to New Project. And add 7 video clips. Now select Format 9:16. And adjust your videos to full screen. I have already done. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set your all videos to time duration of 1.4 seconds. Turn the all video clip sound to 0. Now add effect between the clips. Slide left and apply black fade effect to all clips. Now apply animation to the first photo. Go to In and apply fade in effect. Now apply animation to the last photo. Go to Out and apply fade out effect. Now turn on screen recorder and record while playing. Now turn off screen recorder and save. Now go back to New Project and add screen recorded video. Delete the end part. Now delete the extra part and keep only the playing part. Select Format 9:16. Now adjust to full screen. And hide the icons. Now check. Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.